Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I'm going to show you how to multiply decimal. Step 1, ignore this decimal point and solve it as if you are solving whole number. Step 2, count the total number of decimal places in both numbers. And step 3, place the decimal point to the product of the answer you have gotten. So let's take an example. The first one, we have 2.5 times 0.3. What we do here, we say solution, we write 25 because the first step say ignore the decimal point. So times 3. 25 times 3, 3 times 5 gives you 15, carry 1, 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So the answer is 75. Now, step 2, count the total of decimal place in both numbers. We have, after decimal point here, we have 1, and after decimal point here, we have another 1. So we are having 2 decimal places. So step 3, place the decimal point in the product of your answer. Now we've gotten 75. We have to put the decimal point 1, 2. So we are having 0.75 as the answer. Then let's consider 2. 2, we have solution. If we have 1.24 times 0.6, we ignore the decimal point. We write it to be 124 times 6. And when we multiply, 6 times 4 gives us 24. Carry 2. 6 times 2, 12 plus 2, 14. Carry 1. And 6 times 1, 6 plus 1 gives us 7. Go to the step 2. Count the total numbers of decimal points. We have here, after decimal point here, we have 1, 2, and we have another 1. The total number of decimal points in both numbers are 3. So we move the decimal point from here, 1, 2, and 3. So the answer to this is 0.744. Then we move to the last one, which is the third one. And the third one says 0.07 times 0.05. In this case, we ignore the decimal point. We are having 7 times 5. 7 times 5 gives us 35. Then we count the decimal points. We have 1, 2, and we have 1, 2. If we move the decimal point from right to left, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So our answer will be 0.0035 as the answer. If this finds you well, or if this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.